Maybe introduce yourself, tell us where you're from, your boat name, tell us the story of the boat.
It's
But you know.
No, it's all right. I'm Sam, this is Cass. We're from Weipa in Far North Queensland. And yeah, this is our boat. We bought it a week before the rally for, what was it, $3 grand?
Marketplace.
And then flew down, or drove down from down to Sydney from Weipa. And then, yeah, basically the motor was a wreck.
The guy told you it was perfect.
Yeah, said it had been serviced, had not been serviced at all. And then we had to rebuild it on I think it was a Friday, before the rally. We drove down on the Saturday. Yeah, but yeah, we picked up a couch in Mildura for it. So
Free couch.
yeah,
So everyone keeps asking about the couch. So the couch was an important thing you wanted to get.
yes.
We tried many times to get a couch.
Yes.
Tried and failed. We tried to buy a dump couch, but it was all meant to be.
The guy wouldn't sell it.
Yeah.
Yep.
And the speaker as well.
Yep.
Yeah,
Got
old
music.
people.
So what are your key tips, the key requirements for a boat for the Tinny Rally? What do you need?
Couch.
Perfect boat.
Couch, obviously.
Couch, music, fridge.
Yes.
Just
And-
build the boat around that.
And the rest is irrelevant, really.
Yeah.
And a good attitude.
Yeah. And how was the rally?
Yeah, it was awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Very, very good.
Yeah. Hopefully, you do a different one. We can do that one as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it was
Alright,
good.
let's go, right?
Yeah.